Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again. Mary is napping, so I thought I would do a quick video unboxing. I'm hoping I can get through it before she wakes up. Fingers crossed. So today I am unboxing a piece of Monica Vinader jewellery. You've probably guessed that from the video, but I love Monica Vinader jewellery. It's like one of my favourite jewellery brands. It's so beautiful, it's so dreamy, it's so well made, it's so classic and elegant, but it's also really cool. It makes great gifts, you can personalise it, you can get pieces engraved. It's just lovely, like it's lovely and it's cool and it's chic and it's elegant and it's timeless, and it's kind of one of those things that you can just have in your wardrobe for years, and you can dress it up and dress it down and you can layer it up, and oh, it's just lovely. It's like lovely. Plus they are like super sustainable and they're just a lovely brand. I love them. Anyway, I'm actually wearing one of their necklaces today. It's kind of peeking out from my dress. It's one of my favorites. It's the chunky outer necklace. I can't remember what it's called, but I love it. It's like my favorite necklace that they do. And then I have the mini version on underneath, which is kind of hidden by my dress. I put it on and then I decided to wear a different dress, but I never took off the second necklace, even though you can't really see it. Anyway, what can you do? So yes, today I'm going to be unboxing something, and it's also a really good opportunity to remind you that I have a 20% discount code. So if you do want anything from Monica Vinader, use my link, use my discount code, enjoy. It will get you 20% off literally everything, and there is no end date. So yeah, just enjoy it. I generally put it in the descriptions of all my videos just so it's super accessible, because I know a lot of people love to use it. Whew, so let's get unboxing. I'm so excited. You know when you're like, I'm so excited. Let's get into it. So here is the box that is sent in. I've taken off the label so that you don't know my address. And I'm just going to lift up the inside of the box. And it's a really nice reminder here that all their jewellery is recycled, which I really love about them. It's like, that's such a great thing to do, and all their packaging is like super sustainable as well. Anyway, this is how it comes. It's got some branded tissue paper. It actually comes in a bag, which I really like, because if you buy it online but you're giving it as a gift, it means you can like give it in the bag like you went into the shop, which I really love. And it also comes with a little sticker which you can stick on the bag, or if you want you can like stick on a notebook. I don't know if anybody else does that, but I know I do. And then here is the bag. Mine's a bit crumpled because Mary may have got into my bag, but yeah, what can you do? And then I'm just going to show you inside is the box. I'm just going to quickly whiz through the packaging so that you know how it comes packaged, but it comes in this little box. It's kind of a purpley aubergine colour. It's got the Monica Vinader in gold, and then on the back it's got all the certification, the fact that it's very recycled and all that kind of thing, and then you just pull it open like a little drawer. And I managed to do that one-handed, which I'm quite pleased with myself about. Then inside there's a tiny little pouch, which is a really good way of keeping your jewellery safe, and yeah, it's just a really cute little pouch. Then on the inside there's two little places. If you are buying earrings, which is what I have, it is actually a really good idea to keep one earring per side so that they're not scratching against each other. I don't know if you know that, and it's really obvious, but I just thought I'd point it out. I used to work in jewellery, so I'm kind of geeky about how to look after things. But anyway, here are my earrings. Here is one, and here is the other. God, I'm so clumsy. I'm like all fingers and thumbs. But here are the earrings. They're absolutely gorgeous. They're probably actually the best-selling pair of earrings from Monica Vinader. They're so beautiful. They've got the green gemstone, little gold dangly hooks. Really simple, really elegant, just really pretty. I'm going to show you up by my face. I don't know if you can see, but they're just like, they just add a pop of colour. I'm not going to put them in because they're actually a gift, so I'm going to pass them on, and I don't want them to be, you know, worn, even if it's for a split second. I don't think that's very fair. But here they are. They're so pretty. They are £135, but with my discount they would be, I don't know, I guess just over 100, maybe 105, 110, that kind of thing. But they're super pretty. They're gorgeous colours. They're just, I don't know, I just love them. I think they're perfect and beautiful. And yeah, they're gorgeous. I think at Christmas they can look kind of like festive. In the summer they look beachy. I just think they're wonderfully versatile and beautiful and wonderfully well made, absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, I love them. Sorry, I'm so like clumsy, I just drop everything. But yeah, here they are. I love them. Yeah, I'm such a fan. But yeah, I'm such a fan, and I just wanted to show how it comes, and yeah, how it's packaged, and just a new piece that I got. And yeah, I don't want to say who it's for or what the occasion is because I don't want to give the game away, but I hope you like them, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon, and if you do want to buy anything from Monica Vinader, don't forget about my 20% discount code. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.